Now I am starting eigenvalues and eigenvectors, but in this episode I will teach you only eigenvalues. The next episode we will see eigenvectors. This episode may come tomorrow or day after tomorrow. First we will read properties of eigenvalues because these properties are very important for theory MCQ questions. Okay? Properties of eigenvalues. First, sum of all eigenvalues of a matrix is equal to sum of the element of a principal diagonal. Means calculation or sum of eigenvalues is equal to sum of diagonal element of that matrix. Second, product of eigenvalues of a matrix is equal to its determinant. Product of eigenvalues of a matrix is equal to its determinant. If lambda is an eigenvalue of a matrix A, then 1 by lambda is the eigenvalue of A inverse. If lambda is an eigenvalue of an orthogonal matrix, then 1 by lambda is also its eigenvalue. We have to read it only. When we solve the problems, it will understandable. Okay. Eigenvalue of A is equal to eigenvalue of A transpose. Maximum number of distinct eigenvalue is equal to size of A, matrix A. In a triangular and diagonal matrix, eigenvalues are diagonal elements themselves. If A and B are two matrices are of same order, then matrix AB and BA will have same characteristics roots. Eigenvalue may be 0, but eigenvectors may not be 0 vectors. Eigenvalue of a square matrix are always real. Now, eigenvalues for 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix. See, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. A11, A12, A21, A22. 2 by 2 matrix. Formula for that 2 by 2 matrix in start lambda square. Plus sign, then minus sign, then plus sign. Minus S1 lambda plus determinant of A is equal to 0. Very simple formula. S1 sum of diagonal elements and lambda is roots or values, eigenvalues. After calculating this equation or this formula, we get values of a lambda which are eigenvalues. See, for 2 by 2 matrix start from lambda square, plus sign, then minus sign, then plus sign. Formula is easy. Lambda square minus S1 lambda plus determinant of A is equal to 0. For 3 by 3 matrix start from lambda cube minus S1 lambda square plus S2 lambda minus determinant of A is equal to 0. We know S1, we know S2. What is S2? S2 is minor of A11, minor of A22, minor of A33, means minor of diagonal elements. Okay. What is determinant? We know what are the values lambda, eigenvalues after calculating these formula. Same, plus sign, minus sign, plus sign, minus sign. Start from cube. Find the eigenvalues of a matrix. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Hence, lambda cube minus S1 lambda plus S2 lambda minus determinant of A is equal to 0. Lambda cube minus S1 lambda square plus S2 lambda again minus determinant of A is equal to 0. Find out S1. S1 is sum of diagonal element, which is 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. S2, minor of these diagonal elements. Minor, for finding out minor, ignore this. 3 into 3, 9, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. 9 minus 1. Okay. Same minor for these 3, because, and same minor for these 3. Again we know how to find out determinant of matrix, given matrix. 3 into 9, this product is becomes 1 minus 1. We have sign minus, but here minus 1, hence minus 1 into minus 3 minus 1, again minus 1 into 1 plus 3. Calculation is easy, very easy, you can calculate it. We get all 3 values, S1 value, S2 value and determinant of A value. Put it in equation. 9 lambda square, 24 lambda and 16. Now write down coefficient of this equation. Let 1 is the first eigenvalue, then put 1 is here. Now take 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into 1, this product put here, again addition, we get minus 8, then 1 into minus 8, then put it value here, again addition, we get 16, 1 into 16, put it here, again addition, we get equation lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 16. This calculation is easy. Product is positive and addition is in minus sign with negative sign, then minus 4 and minus 4, because product positive and addition negative. Minus 4 minus 8, then lambda minus 4 is equal to 0, then lambda is equal to 4 and lambda is equal to 4, and the first value lambda is equal to 1, which we consider. So eigenvalues 1, 4, 4. Now eigenvalues of a system represents 4 by 4 matrix, square matrix. We have given, we know that sum of a diagonal element is the eigenal values or eigenvalues, or the diagonal, hence 1 0 0, because all 3 are zeros and 1 is the eigenvalues of this system. Now sum of eigenvalues of a matrix 1 1 3 1 5 1 3 1 1 is sum of eigenvalues of a matrix is equal to sum of a diagonal element of that matrix. We read the properties. Hence 1 plus 5 plus 1, 7. 2 by 2 matrix is given. Formula lambda square minus S1 lambda plus determinant of A is equal to 0. S1 sum of diagonal element, determinant of A 3 minus 8 means minus 5. Minus 5 is the product and minus 4 is the addition, then minus 5 1. Lambda minus 5, lambda plus 1, then the values 5 and 1, minus 1, sorry. Last example 1 0 0 2 0 1 3 1 0. 3 by 3 matrix, hence start lambda cube from lambda cube, hence lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus determinant of A. The formula: s1 sum of diagonal element 1 plus 0 plus 0 1, s2 minor of diagonal elements, minor of 1 0 minus 1 determinant of A 1 into minus 1. Put all these value. Lambda cube s1 1 but minus sign, s2 is positive sign but we get minus 1, hence minus 1 lambda plus 1 because determinant minus 1, minus plus. Now coefficients 1 minus 1 and 1. Let 1 is the first eigenvalue, then put 0 and 1. 1 into 1, 1. Put it here. Addition 0. 1 into 0, 0. Put it here. Then addition minus 1. 1 into minus 1, put it here. We get 0. We get equation lambda square minus 1 is equal to 0. Hence lambda is equal to plus minus 1. First value 1, then plus 1 and minus 1. These are the eigenvalues. Thank you. Keep watching.